Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing two eyeshadow tutorials using the Urban Decay Born to Run eyeshadow palette. Look at these, like look at the colours here. Like I just had to get this palette and I am so glad I did. I'm really excited for you to see this video because I really do truly love these eyeshadows in this palette. So as you can see from now, obviously I did this very wearable and kind of my toned eyeshadow look, which is just golds and warm browns, but I also did another colourful look which you've probably seen in the thumbnail of this video. If you'd like to see how I created both of these looks in this video and my thoughts on the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, then be sure to give the video a thumbs up and just keep watching. So like I said in my intro, I am going to be doing two different eye looks with the Born to Run palette. So just to start off with, the palette retails for $39.50, which I'm pretty sure is the same price as any other Urban Decay like naked palette or anything like that. I'm pretty sure anyway. I thought this was genuinely going to be like £50 because hello, you don't get like 12 however many shades you get in the other ones. Like you get so many shades in this, so I thought that this would be more expensive than the normal palettes. But it's not. It's exactly the same price, which I think is really good. The packaging, it is like a hard plastic and then it's got like a magnetic close on it and it's got a really good mirror. Like this mirror is better than the mirror that's in front of me. Packaging, obviously it's supposed to be like a travel friendly kind of palette. I think that's kind of like the whole vibe of the palette. And I think it's cute, like all the pictures. I understand, like it makes sense because it's the Born to Run, it's all about travelling in the world and stuff, so I understand like the pictures. I just personally don't like it on a palette. I just feel like on a palette I like to have like a pattern or a design. Just my personal opinion, like that, who even cares though, like I just thought I'd mention it anyway. Said I'm going to be doing two different looks with it, so I'm going to do one, wipe it all off and do another one for you, because I thought, look, it's quite a huge palette and it just looks like there's a load of bright colours and shimmery colours and it's like, can you do a neutral look with this? And I think you definitely can because they've got a load of tones, my tones, up in this section. So I'm going to do one with the blues and then another, maybe one with like a gold, like a more wearable look. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do with the palette. I will say that this isn't a first impressions. It is on most shades because I did only use 3 colours yesterday. So let's get us zoomed in. So I think I'm going to do the more colourful look first. So just so you're aware, I've primed my eyelids with some concealer and then just set down the crease area with some loose powder or translucent powder, whatever. So I'm first going to take the shade Weekender, which is this one here. It's kind of like my skin colour, so it doesn't show up too much, but I think it's just a nice kind of base shade to have down. There is some kick up in the pan. It's nothing major. I'm not bothered because the pigment is really good. I didn't get any fallout yesterday when I tried this palette, well, when I tried the few shades that I did. So it's been good so far. Honestly, I don't know if you can see that. It's just added like a tiny bit of depth to the crease. That's literally all we've got. These shades are really good to use as like kind of eraser shade. So if you feel like you need some help blending another shade or you feel like you've gone a bit overboard, then a shade that's kind of close to your skin tone like that one, for me, I feel like it really helps. That's why I call it an eraser shade, because it just kind of gets rid of anything that you don't need and it just helps to blend a lot easier. So that's just a bit of my advice there. Go ahead and take the shade Baja, I think that's how you say it, this orange shade here. Take the shade Punk, which is this really nice dark brown down here. I can see this being a good shade. I can just see it already. This one in the outer corner. That is very dark. Oh, that's really pretty. Like it's blended really nicely. I don't even feel like I have to go back in with the orange. Use some concealer to carve out the lid for a cut crease. Really wanted to try this blue, which is called Big Sky. Yeah, it's called Big Sky. So I'm going to take it on my finger. Ooh, that looks nice. And I'm just gonna... Oh, it feels so soft. I'm not even joking. Here was just the darker blue. I'm gonna pop this here. I can't get over how nice these colours are. I really like that. Then I'm gonna go in with this pink, which is called Wild Heart, and I'm gonna run this on my lower lash line. I don't know how this is gonna look. Honestly, I don't know how it's gonna look with this eye look, but I want to try the pink. Okay, so that's what the finished eye look kind of looks like. So I'm just gonna quickly go finish the other eye, apply some eyeliner, mascara and all that, and then I'll be right back to show you the finished look for this one. So I've just finished off the eyes. I obviously did the same thing and then just applied some liner and mascara. And this is the first look that I thought I'd do with the palette. Seriously, just so happy with how this turned out. Okay, so what I'm gonna go do is, because I'm dedicated, I'm gonna wipe all this off my eyes and we're gonna do another look. So I'm gonna use more neutral tones, more kind of wearable, kind of for like a night out or every day. Use like the golds and the warmer tones, my kind of tones. So yeah, if you want to see the eye look using that, then just keep watching. I'm gonna do the exact same thing. I'm gonna start off with Weekender again, just to buff something into the crease. Eyes just feel really sore because usually I use like a makeup remover that's quite gentle on my eyes, and I just used a wipe and just took it all off. So this look is probably the one that I'm more excited to do because it's, you know, kind of my favourite tones. I'm going to go in with Riff, which is the warm brown I used just now. If you can like see, they just blend in really nice. We're not zoomed in. Under eyes are just looking really gross. It's just because, well, they are, because they just rubbed off the lower lash line. I used Punk last time, so I'm going to use this brown up here, which is called Good As Gone, and I'm going to take that on the outer corner. This is kind of like a very, very, very deep brown. It's kind of like black, but it's not. Shade the brush that I used Weekender on. Take a small amount of it and then buff that on the outer edges. So I'm just going to take the shade Stranded, which is this really nice gold. I'm going to take it on my finger. Ooh, pretty. What? I wasn't ready to my lid. Oh my god. That is one of the nicest golds I've ever used in my entire life. Oh my god, I'm seriously obsessed with this shade. That gold! Oh, bitch. Go back in with Riff, which is the warm brown. And then blend these two together. Just there. I mean, this is my kind of look, you know? I'm just gonna add Riff to the lower lash line now. So like my final thoughts seriously on this palette, I think this is like my, I don't know, I just feel like these eyeshadows are 100% different to the normal Urban Decay eyeshadow palettes. I've never tried any that are this buttery, this creamy, that blend this well. I mean, Urban Decay eyeshadows have always been good, but just not this good if they have actually changed the formula, because I like 90% sure just off trying this palette, I feel like they have a new formula and it's just completely different. So yeah, this, I know this is a lot to say after just using this palette for yesterday and today, but these are the best eyeshadows I've ever tried. I'm just gonna say it, like they're so nice. Try more of the colours, but yeah, that is it from me today. Hope you guys enjoyed both of the looks that I came up with today, and thank you if you made it to this point of the video, because I know 2 looks in one video is kind of a lot. If you enjoyed the video, and thank you again so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!